Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do something that's sort of fun, it's right up our alley. A woman down the hall from where we are right now gave us this piece of art. It was all things that were found across the street from where we are and using a piece of driftwood. So
very cool, Miss Kate.
We're inspired by that. I know this is really fabulous. So here are a few of the things that we've found recently. This is the skeleton from something. I don't know what it is. Here's another piece of driftwood.
Ooh, that one looks like a...
Anyway, there's a bunch of stuff. Some of they're things that have been found in my pockets at the end of the day, like a marble and this little flat marble thing. So we're going to use those. So I'm using a glue gun, which you know is dangerous. This is a dual temp, so we try and always keep it on the low temp. Make sure if you're using a glue gun, you have permission from your parents, and you're very careful because this is really hot. It could be a partner project. They could come up with a design, like I'm just putting some things out now. Here's a mussel shell. We find mussel shells all over the place because the seagulls grab the clams and the mussels. They fly up in the air and they drop them on the hard ground, like the street or the parking lot that's out here. So they crack open and they can get the meat easily. So I'll come up with my design. I may want this little monkey somewhere. And then I'm going to start gluing. So I'm not going to spend too much time designing because, you know, I don't do that. I just make.
Do you have to do this project all at once?
Oh, no, this could be, you could just keep adding on.
That's kind of fun. These
are oyster shells that a friend saved from the restaurant where he works, and then we clean them really well so that we could do projects with them. Kind of found a different way. I don't know what this pod is, but these are really cool. We find them all over the ground. They look like little roses.
Oh, that is very cool.
If anyone knows what they are, let us know. I don't know what they are. So I'm going to start gluing things on and create my piece. So remember, it's very hot. So I'm putting the glue on this and not onto my shell. Oops, except for then I just dropped it. And then as the glue dries, it will harden. As it cools down, it'll harden.
I like your contrast of your colors, Miss Kate. You've got white shells, you've got some dark seed pods.
I know, they're so fun, aren't they?
Yeah.
I really do. I should probably look this up to figure out what this seed pod is. Oh, crackle of the glue.
If you found some sea glass, that could be interesting.
Mm-hmm. Here, the glass we find is not always really well tossed in the waves yet. So we tend to throw that away. Because we want to be safe when we find glass at the beach. That's kind of fun.
You could tell a story or you could just do it randomly.
Mm-hmm. As you can probably tell, I'm just doing it randomly because I'm actually really enjoying this. I love hot glue. But I have been burnt a number of times. So please, please, please be careful. So I'm going to keep working on this, and then one day when you come to visit us, you'll see it on a shelf or something behind me. And that will be fun. Okay, so thanks everyone. So this is a found object. You could, like she did, she made a little clothesline for maybe it's for the mermaid's tails or something. Some shells that she found. All right, thanks everyone. Good to see you. We'll see you next time.
Bye. Friends.